Hey there, I hope you're doing great. Today I'm gonna show you how I do press-on nails with one layer of dip powder acrylic on top using base gel. These are the nails I'm using. I purchased them on Shein. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. How are you? These are the sticky tabs that I use to apply the press-on nails onto the stands. These are less messy than the putty that people use sometimes. And I have used a putty before as well, and it leaves a lot of residue on the nails. And I'm gonna choose one color from my dip powder collection here, and that color is the one that I'm going to apply onto the nails. I decided to go for a brown color since we are in the fall season, and this color is perfect for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply one layer of the base gel, dip it into the powder, cure it for 60 seconds under my UV LED lamp, and repeat the process. I'm gonna be doing a total of 2 layers. The pink container that you see there is meant to use it for dip powder, but then I changed my mind and I dipped the nails directly into the container with the acrylic. I think it was easier that way. Okay, so first I was using the cuticle pusher as a little spoon and try to apply an even layer all over the nail, but it was more work, to be honest. So that's why I decided just to switch it to dip it directly into the acrylic container, and that worked so much faster for me. I don't think I'm gonna be doing this again unless the tips are really flimsy and bad quality. Otherwise the nails became too thick for my liking and very stiff, very hard, so they're not flexible. After the second coat is cured, I'm gonna go ahead and buff the nail tips and give them some shape. Okay, next I'm gonna apply another layer of base gel on top to seal everything. I already did it on these nails, as you can see. Ok, Okay guys, I decided for a very simple design today because I don't have much time, so it's gonna be cat eye. This beautiful cat eye. It has the 4 colors, as you can see. It's amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead, do that, and cute it. I have to go one by one because the cat eye has to be frozen once you pass the magnet, so everything stays in place and the little magnets don't move out of place. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, and here's the magnet. So let's see, that brown underneath make it look so much nicer as well. So just gonna do one layer because the nails are already a little bit thick. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. These are the final results for today. The nails came out really cute. Cat eye gel polish never disappoints, to be honest. You can do so many designs with it. You just need to learn how to use the magnet properly. I don't know all the tricks yet on how to use the magnets when it comes to cat eye, but I'm trying. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a wonderful day and I'll see you on the next one.